आज के दिन राकिब अहमद ज़िया की जो है एक और पब्लिकेशन को जो है रिलीज़ किया गया, जो इंडियन पॉलिटिकल सिस्टम है, जो बेसिकली न्यू एजुकेशन पॉलिसी में यूजी फर्स्ट सेमेस्टर, कश्मीर यूनिवर्सिटी, क्लस्टर यूनिवर्सिटी एंड मेनी अदर यूनिवर्सिटीज़ ऑफ इंडिया जो है उनके सिलेबस में आता है। तो इस बुक को आज रिलीज़ किया गया वितस्ता स्कूल ऑफ लॉ एंड ह्यूमैनिटीज़ में, और यहाँ पर जो प्रोफेसर थे, प्रोफेसर डॉक्टर AK रफ़ीकी, तो उन्होंने इसको आज रिलीज़ किया और सारे जो है टीचर्स वहाँ पे थे। तो आइए इसकी हम पूरी डिटेल यहाँ पे देखते हैं। थैंक यू वेरी मच।
It becomes very easy for the students to get the idea of the concepts which have been discussed in the book. So at your infancy stages, these books, these small booklets, they are very, very useful for you, since you read them with the examination point of view. It helps you a lot if it's elusive, if it is brief. But when you will be completing your graduations, and you will definitely, some of you will go into the post-graduation and then doctorate as well. So you will be reading the books which you will not read for the examination purpose only. You read them for research and your outlook as well. But these books at the infancy stage, they are very, 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 very fruitful, because they keep you confined. They do not let you go hither and thither, so that in the examination you cut a sorry figure. The book is based on the syllabus of your course, so you must take advantage of it. These books are available at the shops as well. So you can avail these, and these books will be available in the library as well. Those who could not afford, so they will be reading these books in the library as well. Thank you very much.